Introduction: The Wilds of North America. Welcome to the vast and enchanting forests of North America, a land of immense natural beauty, spanning from the temperate rainforests of the Pacific Northwest to the boreal forests of Canada, the Appalachian woodlands, and beyond. This is a realm of extraordinary biodiversity, home to some of the most awe-inspiring and fascinating mammals on Earth. These forests serve as havens for a diverse array of mammals, from the majestic elk to the elusive bobcat, the clever raccoon, and the industrious beaver. In this journey, we will explore the rich tapestry of life that thrives in these woodlands. Whether you're a seasoned naturalist, a wildlife enthusiast, or someone with a deep curiosity about the animal kingdom, you'll find the stories of these mammals captivating. Each species has adapted in remarkable ways to survive in the harsh and ever-changing environment of the forest, from the extreme cold of winter to the abundance of summer. Let's embark on a fascinating journey deep into the heart of North America's forests and discover the mammals that call these diverse ecosystems home. The mighty black bear, one of the most iconic inhabitants of the North American forests, is the black bear. Found across the continent, from the hardwood forests of the east to the dense coniferous forests of the Pacific Northwest and Alaska, black bears are among the most adaptable and widespread of all bear species. Despite their imposing size, black bears are omnivores with a diet that includes fruits, nuts, insects, and small mammals. In fact, up to 85% of their diet consists of plant material. Black bears have long fascinated humans. In Native American cultures, they are often revered as symbols of strength and wisdom. Many stories tell of the bear's role as a protector of the forests, and they feature prominently in traditional legends and folklore. The black bear is known for its solitary lifestyle, though it is not uncommon to see mothers with cubs. These bears can weigh between 150 and 600 pounds, depending on their region and diet. Despite their size, they are excellent climbers and can ascend trees with surprising speed and agility. This ability is particularly useful for young bears, which often climb trees to avoid danger. In the wild, the black bear's ability to adapt to different environments and food sources is crucial to its survival. Their habitat ranges from Alaska's temperate rainforests to the subtropical regions of Florida, illustrating their resilience in diverse climates. Black bears are most active during the early morning and late evening hours, foraging for food and often covering large territories in search of sustenance. One of the most fascinating aspects of black bear behavior is hibernation. As winter approaches, bears enter a state of torpor where their metabolism slows dramatically. They do not eat, drink, or eliminate waste during this period, surviving solely on the fat reserves they've built up over the warmer months. This allows them to endure months of cold, scarcity, and hunger without having to venture out. For female black bears, winter is an especially significant time, as it is when they give birth. Cubs are typically born in January or February while the mother is still in hibernation. These tiny cubs, weighing less than a pound at birth, will remain with their mother throughout the winter, nursing and growing rapidly. By the time spring arrives, they are strong enough to follow their mother out into the world. Black bears play a critical role in their ecosystems. As omnivores, they help control populations of small animals and insects, disperse seeds through their droppings, and even affect tree growth patterns through their foraging habits. In many regions, they are considered a keystone species, meaning their presence is essential to the health and stability of the ecosystem. Despite their importance, black bears face numerous challenges. Habitat destruction, human-wildlife conflict, and illegal poaching are all threats to their populations. In some areas, black bears have adapted to living near humans, foraging in garbage dumps in suburban areas. This has led to increased conflicts, with bears often being killed when they become too comfortable around people. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals. Many national parks and wildlife reserves provide safe habitats for black bears, and education campaigns aim to reduce human-bear conflicts by teaching people how to properly secure their food and trash. Bobcats, masters of stealth. The bobcat is another extraordinary predator that roams the North American forests. Named for its short, bobbed tail, the bobcat is a medium-sized wildcat known for its stealth, agility, and powerful hunting skills. With a range that extends from southern Canada through the United States and into Mexico, bobcats have adapted to a wide variety of environments, including forests, swamps, deserts, and even suburban areas. These solitary cats are primarily nocturnal, preferring to hunt during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. Bobcats are carnivores, and their diet consists of rabbits, rodents, birds, and occasionally larger prey such as deer. Bobcats are opportunistic hunters and will take advantage of whatever prey is available in their territory. Bobcats are known for their remarkable camouflage. Their coats, which vary in color from tan to grayish-brown, are covered in black spots and stripes, helping them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. This camouflage, combined with their stealthy movements, allows them to approach prey unnoticed before launching a swift, lethal attack. Despite their relatively small size, adult bobcats weigh between 15 and 35 pounds. These cats are incredibly strong and can take down prey much larger than themselves. They rely on their powerful hind legs to leap great distances, often ambushing their prey from above. Bobcats are highly territorial animals. Males maintain large territories, which they mark with scent markings and claw marks on trees. These territories often overlap with the smaller territories of several females, though males are typically solitary except during the breeding season. The breeding season for bobcats usually takes place in the winter, with kittens born in the spring. Females are solely responsible for raising the young, which remain with their mother for several months before venturing off on their own. One of the most fascinating aspects of bobcat behavior is their ability to adapt to human presence. While they prefer wild, undisturbed areas, bobcats have been known to live on the outskirts of urban environments, where they hunt for rodents and other small animals. Despite living so close to human settlements, bobcats are rarely seen, as they are masters of avoiding detection. In Native American culture, bobcats are often seen as symbols of stealth and independence. Their solitary nature and ability to move through the world unnoticed have led many tribes to regard them as mystical creatures, capable of traveling between the physical and spiritual worlds. Majestic elk, giants of the forest. The elk, also known as wapiti, is one of the largest land mammals in North America and a member of the deer family. These majestic creatures are found in the forests and meadows of the Rocky Mountains, the Pacific Northwest, and parts of Canada. With their impressive antlers and towering stature, elk are often considered symbols of strength and endurance. Male elk, or bulls, are particularly striking during the fall mating season, known as the rut. During this time, bulls use their massive antlers to fight for dominance and the right to mate with females, or cows. These antlers, which can span up to 5 feet across, are shed and regrown each year, with larger, older bulls growing the most impressive sets. Elk are herbivores, and their diet consists primarily of grasses, shrubs, and tree bark. In the winter, when food is scarce, they rely on woody plants and shrubs to survive. Elk are also highly migratory animals, traveling long distances between their summer and winter ranges. In the summer, they graze in alpine meadows and mountain valleys, while in the winter, they move to lower elevations in search of food. One of the most distinctive sounds of the North American forest is the bugle of a bull elk during the rut. This eerie, high-pitched call can be heard for miles and is used by bulls to announce their presence and challenge rivals. Bugling is a key part of elk behavior during the rut and helps maintain the social hierarchy within the herd. Elk play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As grazers, they help shape the vegetation of the forest, influencing plant growth and creating habitat for other species. Their presence also benefits predators such as wolves and mountain lions, which rely on elk as a food source. However, elk populations have been significantly affected by human activity. Habitat destruction, hunting, and the introduction of diseases such as chronic wasting disease have all taken a toll on elk numbers. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these magnificent animals, with many national parks and wildlife refuges serving as important habitats for elk populations. In addition to their ecological importance, elk have played a significant role in the history and culture of Native American tribes. For many tribes, elk were a vital source of food, clothing, and tools. Elk antlers, hides, and bones were used to make weapons, clothing, and ceremonial items. Today, elk continue to be an important symbol in Native American culture, representing strength, stamina, and survival. River otters, playful guardians of the waterways. Few mammals in North America are as playful and agile as the river otter. These sleek, water-loving creatures are found in rivers, lakes, and streams across the continent, from the coastal forests of Alaska to the wetlands of the southeastern United States. River otters are known for their playful behavior, often seen sliding down muddy riverbanks, chasing one another through the water, and engaging in mock wrestling matches. Despite their playful nature, river otters are highly skilled hunters. Their diet consists primarily of fish, but they also eat crustaceans, amphibians, and small mammals. River otters are powerful swimmers, capable of holding their breath for several minutes while they dive in search of prey. Their streamlined bodies, webbed feet, and strong tails make them incredibly efficient in the water. River otters are social animals, often living in family groups that consist of a mother and her offspring. Males are more solitary, typically only interacting with females during the breeding season. Otters communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including chirps, whistles, growls, and screams, which help them coordinate activities within their group. In addition to their hunting skills, river otters play an important role in maintaining the health of aquatic ecosystems. By preying on fish and other aquatic organisms, they help keep populations in check and prevent overpopulation. Their presence is often an indicator of a healthy waterway, as otters require clean, unpolluted water to thrive. River otters are also highly adaptable animals. While they prefer wild, undisturbed areas, they have been known to live near urban environments where waterways provide suitable habitat. Despite living near humans, otters are often elusive and rarely seen, as they are most active at dawn and dusk. In Native American folklore, river otters are often portrayed as tricksters, known for their cleverness and playful nature. Many tribes believe that otters teach us to find joy in life and to approach challenges with a playful attitude. Their ability to thrive in both wild and human-altered landscapes is a testament to their adaptability and resilience. However, river otters have faced significant challenges due to habitat destruction, pollution, and trapping for their fur. Conservation efforts have helped restore otter populations in many areas, and they are now protected in many parts of their range. Today, river otters are considered a success story of wildlife conservation, with populations rebounding in regions where they were once scarce. The gray wolf, apex predator of the forest. The gray wolf is one of North America's most iconic predators, known for its intelligence, teamwork, and fierce hunting skills. Wolves once roamed across the entire continent, but their populations have been severely reduced due to habitat destruction, hunting, and conflict with humans. Today, gray wolves are primarily found in the wilderness areas of Canada, Alaska, and parts of the northern United States. Gray wolves are highly social animals, living in packs that consist of a breeding pair, the alpha male and female, and their offspring. These packs work together to hunt large prey such as deer, elk, and moose, using their strength and coordination to take down animals much larger than themselves. Wolves are apex predators, meaning they have no natural predators of their own, and their presence plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. One of the most distinctive features of wolves is their howling, which serves as a form of communication within the pack. Howling helps wolves coordinate hunts, defend their territory, and maintain social bonds within the pack. Each wolf's howl is unique, allowing pack members to recognize one another by sound. Despite their reputation as fierce predators, wolves are also deeply family-oriented animals. The alpha pair is responsible for leading the pack, and all members of the pack work together to raise the pups. Wolves are highly protective of their young, and the entire pack will help care for and defend the pups from danger. Wolves are keystone species, meaning their presence has a profound impact on the health and diversity of their ecosystems. In areas where wolves have been reintroduced, such as Yellowstone National Park, they have helped restore balance to the ecosystem by controlling the populations of large herbivores like elk and deer. This, in turn, has allowed vegetation to recover, benefiting a wide range of other species, from birds to beavers. However, wolves remain a controversial species in many areas. Ranchers and farmers often view them as a threat to livestock, and conflicts between wolves and humans continue to pose challenges for conservation efforts. Despite these challenges, wolves are protected under the Endangered Species Act in many parts of the United States, and efforts are underway to ensure their survival. In Native American culture, wolves are often seen as symbols of loyalty, teamwork, and courage. Many tribes believe that wolves are protectors of the natural world and that they possess a deep understanding of the land. Stories of wolves as guides and guardians are common in indigenous folklore, reflecting the deep respect that many cultures have for these incredible animals. The industrious beaver, nature's engineer. The North American beaver is one of the most fascinating mammals in the forest, known for its ability to dramatically alter its environment. Beavers are often referred to as nature's engineers due to their habit of building dams and lodges, which create ponds and wetlands that benefit a wide range of other species. Beavers are herbivores, feeding primarily on the bark and twigs of trees such as willow, aspen, and birch. Using their sharp teeth, beavers are capable of felling trees and collecting the wood to build their dams and lodges. These structures provide the beavers with protection from predators and create a stable environment for raising their young. Dams play a crucial role in shaping the landscape. By blocking the flow of streams, beavers create ponds and wetlands, which provide habitat for a variety of plants and animals, including fish, amphibians, birds, and other mammals. Wetlands are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet, and the presence of beavers often leads to an increase in biodiversity. In addition to creating habitats, beaver dams also help regulate water flow and prevent flooding. By slowing the flow of water, beaver dams reduce the risk of erosion and help maintain the health of the watershed. In many areas, beavers are considered a keystone species because of the profound impact they have on their environment. Beavers live in family groups, which typically consist of a mated pair and their offspring. These family groups are highly social, and the beavers work together to build and maintain their dams and lodges. Beavers are also known for their strong sense of smell, which they use to mark their territory and communicate with other beavers. Despite their importance to the ecosystem, beavers have faced significant challenges due to habitat destruction and trapping for their fur. In the past, beaver populations were severely reduced due to overtrapping, but conservation efforts have helped restore their numbers in many areas. Today, beavers are protected in many parts of their range, and their populations are once again thriving. In Native American culture, beavers are often seen as symbols of hard work, perseverance, and ingenuity. Many tribes believe that beavers possess a deep understanding of the natural world, and that they teach us the value of working together to achieve our goals. Raccoons. Clever survivors. The raccoon is one of the most adaptable mammals in North America, known for its intelligence and ability to thrive in both wild and urban environments. With its distinctive black mask and ringed tail, the raccoon is easily recognizable and is often associated with its habit of foraging in garbage cans and raiding gardens. Raccoons are omnivores, and their diet includes a wide variety of foods, from fruits and nuts to insects, fish, and small animals. Their ability to eat almost anything has helped raccoons thrive in a wide range of habitats, from forests and wetlands to cities and suburbs. One of the most fascinating aspects of raccoon behavior is their dexterity. Raccoons have highly sensitive front paws, which they use to manipulate objects and solve complex problems. This dexterity, combined with their intelligence, allows raccoons to open containers, doors, and even latches to access food. Raccoons are also known for their cleverness and resourcefulness. In the wild, they prefer to live near water, where they can hunt for fish, frogs, and other aquatic creatures. However, raccoons have also adapted to urban environments, where they take advantage of the abundance of food provided by humans. Despite their adaptability, raccoons face numerous challenges in the wild, including predation by larger animals, disease, and conflict with humans. Raccoons are susceptible to diseases such as rabies and canine distemper, which can significantly reduce their populations in certain areas. In Native American folklore, raccoons are often portrayed as tricksters, known for their cleverness and ability to outwit other animals. Many tribes believe that raccoons teach us the importance of adaptability and resourcefulness in the face of adversity. Conclusion. The web of life in the North American forests. The forests of North America are home to an astonishing variety of mammals, each uniquely adapted to its environment and playing a vital role in the ecosystem. From the black bear and the gray wolf to the beaver and the raccoon, these mammals form an intricate web of life that sustains the health and diversity of the forest. As we conclude our journey through the forests of North America, it is clear that the survival of these magnificent creatures is deeply intertwined with the health of their environment. Through conservation efforts and responsible stewardship of the land, we can ensure that these mammals continue to thrive for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the North American forest mammals. We hope that you have gained a deeper appreciation for the beauty, complexity, and importance of these incredible animals.